how are you? In this video I am going to explain how to do divisions, and after doing division how to check your answer. Okay, see here I have given 3354 divided by 6. Here 6 is the divisor, 3354 is dividend. Okay, see here you have to do with 6. So I have written 6 table here. So here you will get one doubt. How many digits you have to consider? So what you have to do? First see the first digit. Always here see the inside digit is first digit is 3. Yet the outside one is 6. Okay, always the inside digit should be greater than the outside one. Okay, so what you have to do? Here you have to consider 3 is smaller than 6. So consider 2 digits. Here see 33. Now see 33 is greater than 6. So here you consider 2 digits. See here 33 is there already in 6 table. In 6 table you don't have 33. So what you have to do? Take smaller than 33 and nearest to 33. Smallest and nearest number to 33. So here 36 is greater than 33. So 30 is smallest number to 33 and nearest to 33. So consider 30. 6 5s are 30. Now do the subtraction. Why? Division is repeated subtraction. So here you have to do the subtraction. So here 3 minus 0 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Carry on next number. Here 35. Again check whether 35 is there or not in 6 table. In 6 table you don't have 35. So take smallest and nearest to 35 is 30. So again take 6 5s are 30. Now do the subtraction. 5 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. 3 minus 0 is 0. Carry down 4. 54. Now check 54 is there or not. Yes, here 6 9s are 54. So take 6 9s are 54. 54 minus 54, 0. 0 is the remainder. 559 is quotient. This is dividend, this is divisor. Okay. Now by using these values, we have to check whether this division is right or wrong. See here. Here take what is divisor here? Divisor is 6. So write 6 here. Into what is quotient here? Quotient is 559. So 559 plus, and what is the remainder? Remainder is 0. So write 0 here. Now do the calculations. 6 into 559. Here I am doing multiplication. 559 into 6. 6 9s are 54. 5 here, 4 here. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 5, 35. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 3, 33. So here how much you got? After doing multiplication, 3354 plus 0. If you add 0 to any number, what you will get? You will get same number. So 3354. So here what is this one? This is dividend. See here what is the dividend in question you are having? Dividend is 3354. Here also you got 3354. So our answer is right. Here I am giving another example. So 7435 divided by 12. Here 12 is the divisor, 7435 is dividend. So see here 12, 7435. Okay, first check the first digit. Here is 7, here you are having 12. 7 is smaller than 12. So consider 2 digits, 74. See here 74 is there or not in 12 table. In 12 table you don't have 74. So take smallest and nearest number to 74. So 72. 12 6 are 72. 72 is smallest and nearest to 74. So take 12 6 are 72. 4 minus 2 is 2. 7 minus 7 is 0. Carry down 3. 23. Now check 23 is there or not. Here we don't have 23. So what you have to take? Consider smallest and nearest to 23. So 12. 12 ones are 12. 24 is greater than 23. So take 12 ones are 12. So 12 ones are 12. Do the subtraction. 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Carry down 5. 115. So 115 is not there. So take smallest and nearest to 120. 115. Here 120 is greater than 115. So take 12 lines are 108. So 12 lines are 108. Again do the subtraction. Here 5 minus 8 we can't do. So borrow from here. Here will be 0. Here will be 15. 15. So 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 is 7. Okay, 15 minus 8 is 7. Here 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 7 is the remainder. Here remainder is 7. Quotient is 619. This 7435 is dividend. 12 is the divisor. By using these values, we will check whether this division is right or wrong. So here divisor. What is divisor here? Divisor is 12. So write 12 into what is quotient? 690. So 690 plus what is remainder? Remainder is 7. Remainder is 7. Okay. First you have to multiply divisor into quotient. So 12 into 690. So see 690 into 12. Here do the multiplication. 2 nines are 18. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3. 2 6 are 12. Put into 1 nines are 9. 1 ones are 1. 1 6 are 6. Now do the addition. 8. 9 plus 3 is 12. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 6 plus 1 7. So 7428. Right here 7428 plus 7. After doing multiplication, you have to add the remainder for the product. So see here 7428 plus 7. What do you get? 8 plus 7 15. 2 plus 1 is 3. 4 7. What is the answer? 7435. See here. What is the dividend? 7435. Here also you got 7435. So we got correct answer. Our division is correct. Okay. Like this way you have to check. After doing division you have to check the answer whether it is right or wrong. If you will get same dividend, same number, that means your division is right. Suppose here you are getting wrong answer, here you are not getting dividend, that means you did somewhere wrong. You have to do again. Thank you.